Tonight's reality check. Alabama's Attorney General has started the process to impeach Clarke County Sheriff William Ray Norris.
The AG's office says the investigation began more than a year ago. NBC 15's Laura Barczewski joins us now.
Laura, you spoke with the sheriff this afternoon.
Greg and Kim, Clarke County Sheriff Ray Norris says he has nothing to hide. But Clarke County residents I spoke with have a different story to tell, and they believe corruption at the sheriff's office has been going on for years. Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall started the impeachment process of Clarke County Sheriff Ray Norris, charging him with 4 instances of corruption in office and 11 instances of the commission of crimes involving moral turpitude.
I got it off the news same time y'all did, and then I got served from the AG's office. But I'm not allowed to make a statement. I've hired Mr. Joe Espy in Montgomery. He'll be making all the releases on my behalf.
Espy says Norris denies the allegations but could not comment further as they are currently going through the documents from the Attorney General.
Don't have anything to hide. The Attorney General gets these complaints and he has to follow up on them. I don't have any hard feelings with his office. That's good guys up there and they do a good job.
Documents say Norris allegedly used his position to accept thousands of dollars from an individual whose business provided food to the Clarke County Jail. Some of the other charges include filing a false 2019 Statement of Economic Interest form and failing to file a 2019 tax return. While he couldn't comment on the specifics in the document, I asked, were you shocked, surprised when this all kind of came around?
Well, when you're in politics, you get people filing complaints every day. Every time you arrest somebody, you make an enemy. And so that's just life in the political world of being sheriff. But I love Clarke County, I love these citizens, and I never intend to embarrass my county doing anything wrong. So if the Attorney General has found something that's uncomfortable to him, then he has to go through the process, and that's what we have a court of law for. I am most definitely not above the law.
A resident of Clarke County who wanted to remain anonymous disagrees with Norris, saying the county and the sheriff's office has a long history of corruption. She believes the investigation is long overdue.
I feel like it's just one small step in the right direction, and I hope that they use this as an example to the rest of the sheriffs in our state, that there's rules and laws that they have to follow too. They're not God. They can't just make up the rules as they go and follow some laws and not the other.
Another resident who also wanted to remain anonymous believes Sheriff Norris needs to be removed immediately.
I feel like that he is the most corrupt sheriff that has probably ever been a sheriff in Alabama. The amount of lives that he's ruined and people he's done, those people need to see justice and need to know, they need to be able to trust again. They need to be able to trust our law enforcement, because that's what we've always been told, that, they serve and protect, and he didn't.
The Clarke County administrator tells me they were not aware of any corruption going on in the sheriff's office. Greg?